Shoes under 1,000 rupees? Sounds impossible, right? But today I'm revealing the 5 best SEGA shoes that not only fit your budget, but also bring you comfort, style, and durability. Stick around till the end because the last one is my personal favorite, and I'll also tell you where to grab them online. Welcome back to Top Best Shoes. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we bring you the most useful and budget-friendly product guides every week. Number 1. SEGA New Runner Shoes. First on the list is the SEGA New Runner Shoes, perfect for daily running and casual wear. These come with a breathable mesh upper, flat heel design, and lightweight EVA sole. The color white makes it stylish and versatile. You can pair it with almost any outfit, and trust me, for under 1,000, this is one of the best budget-friendly running companions. Number 2. SEGA Star Impact Men's Shoe. Number 2 is the SEGA Star Impact PVT LTD Men's Shoe. With a strong rubber sole, this pair is designed for long-lasting grip and regular fit comfort. The mesh build ensures breathability, while the lace-up closure keeps your feet locked in place. If you're into running or gym workouts, this one is a solid choice. Number 3. SEGA Men's Blue Mesh Running Shoe. Coming to number 3, the SEGA Men's Blue Mesh Running Shoe. This one stands out with its sleek blue design, making it both sporty and stylish. It features a durable rubber sole, lace-up closure, and medium width for a snug fit. If you're someone who wants performance with a touch of fashion, this is the pair for you. Number 4. SEGA Comfort Jogging and Multi-Purpose Shoe. At number 4, we have the SEGA Men's Comfort Jogging Multi-Purpose Shoe. This shoe is versatile, good for jogging, walking, or even casual office wear. Built with polyurethane and rubber sole, it gives you extra cushioning and durability. The mesh material keeps your feet sweat-free, making it a great all-day option. Finally, number 5, SEGA Original Men's White Shoes. Now, this one is a head-turner. With high-quality synthetic air mesh, flexible Phylon double-colored sole, and that classic all-white sporty look, this shoe is perfect for those who want both style and performance. And yes, it's an original SEGA product, so you know you're getting quality. So those were my top 5 picks for the best SEGA shoes under 1,000 rupees. Which one did you like the most? The stylish all-white or the comfortable multi-purpose joggers? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know your choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe for more budget-friendly product guides. And hey, I've added all the links to these shoes in the description below. Go check them out and grab your pair before the prices go up. Thanks for watching Top Best Shoes. See you in the next video.